In this video, the learning target is to find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a prism using the two-dimensional net of the prism. On the left side is a cube, and on the right side you see a triangular prism. Let's look at a couple of definitions. First off, what is a lateral face or a lateral side of a prism? Well, it's important to know the difference between a side and a base. In this triangular prism, you will see your bases that are triangles. These are your bases, right here. And the lateral sides are the rectangular sides of a prism that connect the two congruent bases. Because our base has three sides, that means there will be three lateral faces. So this is lateral face 1, lateral face 2, and lateral face 3. Let's take a look at some of the key vocabulary that we will be using when we find lateral surface area and total surface area of prisms. A prism is a solid that has two faces that are parallel and congruent, and these are called the bases of the prism. If we have a cube, I'm just going to shade in what you would call the base. In a triangular prism, your base is a triangle. And in this triangular prism, it's easy to see that the triangles are congruent and they're also parallel. These bases are connected by what's called the lateral sides. The lateral sides, these are the rectangular sides of a prism that connect the two congruent and parallel bases. Let's take a look at the nets of these prisms. In the net of the prism, this cube, here's one of the bases, base 1, and here's base 2. In a triangular prism, this is base 1, and here's base 2. In each of these nets, you will see yellow rectangles. These are your lateral sides. In this lesson, we will be calculating the lateral surface area, which is just the area of the lateral sides of the prism. Okay, so let's look at finding the lateral surface area of a cube and the total surface area of the cube. Lateral surface area, again, are the lateral sides of a cube. We're going to use the net to help us. Since this is a cube, all sides are the same. This is an easy one. So every side of this cube is a 4 by 4, which means the area of each side is 16. And since we have 4 sides, lateral sides, the area of 4 sides is simply 4 by 4, and we will need that 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 times 4 is 64. And this is, instead of writing it this way, I'm going to write lateral surface area is 64 centimeters squared. So this lateral surface area is 64 centimeters squared. That's the area of the 4 sides of this cube. The total surface area is the area of the lateral sides, which is 64, and the area of the bases. And we have 2 bases. Here's your base 1, and here is base 2. So the area of the 2 bases is going to be 4 by 4, and since we have 2 bases, we'll multiply that times 2. So area of the 2 bases is 16 times 2, which is 32. So 32 is the area of the bases. In this example, we will find the lateral surface area of the rectangular prism, and we'll also find the total surface area of the rectangular prism shown below. We'll use the net to begin with to label our dimensions. We know that this dimension here is 6, so all these lengths here are 6. And we know we've got 2 sides, or our base is here. Here's base 1, here's base 2, and that's a 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Okay. And we've got one side that's a 6 by 5. We've got 2 of those. So we have 2 6 by 5s. And 2 6 by 4s. So we have everything laid out with our prism. Now we're just going to come over here to show our work. For the lateral surface area, I have 2 sides. 2 of these sides are 6 by 4s. I'm going to need that 2 times. And I have, which is 24 times 2. Which is 48. And that's for 2 sides. This side and this side. And then I've got 2 other sides. I'm just going to put 2 sides here. And that's going to be 6 by 5. And we have 2 of those. And that's 30 times 2. For 60. And these are both centimeters squared, centimeters squared. So the lateral surface area, which is the yellow rectangles that you see right here, would be 48 plus 60. I'm going to use abbreviate LSA for lateral surface area is 48 centimeters squared plus 60 centimeters squared, which is 108 centimeters squared. And that is our lateral surface area. Now we're going to find the total surface area. And we're going to take 108, which is our lateral surface area, and we're going to add to that the area of the bases. So to find the area of the base, it's a rectangle. The area of the base, we have 2 bases. And the dimensions of the base are right here. It's 5 by 4. And we've got 2 of those. So that's 20 times 2. That is 40 centimeters squared. So that is the area of the base, or the bases. We're going to add 40 centimeters squared plus 108 centimeters squared for a total surface area of 148 centimeters squared. There you have it. Okay, in this example, we have a triangular prism, and we're going to find the lateral surface area and the total surface area. The first thing we need to do is look at the net, which is drawn out below, and label the dimensions. I'm going to start with the base. I know that the base is a triangle right here, so I'm going to label the dimensions of the triangle. To find area, we need base and height. The base is 2, and the height of this triangle is 4. Now let's look at the sides of the triangular prism. So we have one side, so the longest side is 6, so this is 6 all the way down. All the sides are 6. And we've got a 6 by 3. We have two 6 by 3s. And we have a 6 by 2. So we'll use what we have here, the shaded yellow, to find, first off, the lateral surface area. So we have side 1, the area is 6 by 3. Side 2, the area is 6 by 2. And then side 3, the area is 6 by 3 again. So 18, 12, and 18 are the areas of each of these rectangles. So to find the total surface area, I would just add these up. The lateral surface area of this triangular prism is 48 centimeters squared. That is the lateral surface area. That is the area that is shaded yellow right here. The total surface area is the lateral surface area of 48 plus the area of the triangular bases. So let's find the area of the triangular bases. Remember, to find the area of a triangle, you use the formula area equal 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. The base of the triangle is 2, right here, and the height of the triangle is 4, this dimension right there. So the area of one of the bases would be 4 centimeters squared. But don't forget, we have 2 triangular bases, so we're going to need this twice. So area of 2 of the bases is equal to 8 centimeters squared. Now, that is the area of the bases. So to find the total surface area, we're going to add these two together, and that is 48 plus 8, which is 56 centimeters squared. And there you have it. We have found the lateral surface area to be 48, and we have found the total surface area to be 56 centimeters squared.